Alrighty. Got an Optic football cello box to bust through. Be 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. Hopefully we can find some big boys tonight. Well, Optic makes some heavy, like thick stock cards. Probably my top 2 favorite sets. I don't know, I like Optic and Mosaic as far as just the different inserts they have and stuff like that. So, but anyways, we got 12 of these packs to bust through. Obviously, looking for the big downtowns if we can find them. I don't know why these things always stick together. If not downtowns, hopefully we can find some nice green velocity rookies. Let me just go ahead and flip this over so we can see it. See the different inserts, and I got a 200 card set, 50 rated rookies, 50 regular rookies, green velocity, hollow, T-321, all the other inserts as well. And then the downtown. So we'll go ahead and get started. See what we can find. Will be quite a few base cards, so we'll go through those pretty fast. Travis White. Make sure there's not 2 there. Taysom Hill, Dak Prescott, Jimmy Garoppolo, Will Fuller, Tyreek Hill, Kyle Duggar, Juju Smith-Schuster, Devontae Adams, A.J. Brown, Keenan Allen, and Mark Andrews. Did I miss a player? Or is that all base cards? Oh, Kyle Duggar, excuse me. Dang, I forget how small that shield is up there. 1 rookie in that one. Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, T.Y. Hilton, Kyler Murray, Kirk Cousins, Khalil Mack, Andrew Thomas, rookie for the New York Giants, Cam Newton, Joe Mixon, Jason Kelsey, Aaron Rodgers, and Derrick Henry. Devontae Parker, Devin Bush, Zadarius Smith, Dwayne Haskins. Got green in here. I feel like there's 2 cards with Dwayne Haskins, though. There was. Mike Williams for the Chargers. Our green is Eno Benjamin, green velocity for the Cardinals. Got a rated rookie Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Alvin Kamara, Nick Chubb, Derek Carr, Calvin Ridley, and Julian Edelman. Jameson Crowder, Matthew Stafford, Cooper Kupp, Christian McCaffrey, Saquon Barkley. Oh, I saw the Chargers color on the outside. I was like, well, here we go. Is a green velocity Joe Reed for the Chargers. Got a Gabriel Davis rated rookie for the Bills. Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner, and Josh Allen. Maybe I can get some of these sleeved up here. Alrighty, we got 8 packs left to find the elusive downtown. Josh Allen, Michael Thomas, Odell Beckham Jr., TJ Watt, JJ Watt. We got a Patrick Mahomes Dominators insert, not bad. Kalon Chason rookie for the Jaguars. AJ Green, Ben Roethlisberger, Aaron Jones, Ryan Tannehill, and Austin Eckler. Amari Cooper, Nick Bosa, Phillip Rivers, Tyrann Mathieu, Christian Wilkins. Hey, there we go. I love these cards. I think I like the look of them better than the rated rookies. The old Elite Series rookie, Tua Tagovailoa. Devin Sicey rookie for the Patriots. We got D-Hop for the Cardinals. Adam Thielen, Tyler Boyd, Miles Sanders, and Kerryon Johnson. Patrick Mahomes, Teddy Bridgewater, Sterling Shepard, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, Van Jefferson green velocity for the Rams. Got a Marlon Davidson rookie for the Falcons. Marquise Brown, Drew Brees, Tom Brady, DJ Chark, and Matt Ryan. Mitchell Trubisky, Le'Veon Bell, Terry McLaurin, Aaron Donald, Stephon Diggs, Tommy Stevens green velocity for the Saints. Got a Jalen Johnson rookie for the Bears, Chris Godwin, Josh Jacobs, Sam Darnold, Von Miller, and DK Metcalf. Alright, we got 4 fat packs left. Hopefully we get a few more green velocities. We've been getting a lot of just the regular rookies. We need to see if we can find some more rated rookies here. T.Y. Hilton, Kyler Murray, Kirk Cousins. Oh, I forget we have a holo. Khalil Mack, Jameson Crowder, Stephon Gilmore, holo for the Patriots. Got Lindbaum Jr. rated rookie for the Raiders. Cam Newton, Joe Mixon, Jason Kelsey, Aaron Rodgers, and Derrick Henry. I think last break we had an Optic Hollow veteran and a rookie, so hopefully that's the same tonight. Denny Dimes, Zeke Elliott, George Kittle, Darius Leonard, Travis Kelce, Hollows Eno Benjamin for the Cardinals. We got a Tua rated rookie for the Dolphins, so I got a couple Tuas tonight. Gardner Minshew, Larry Fitzgerald, Dalvin Cook, David Montgomery, and Carson Wentz. Not sure what it takes to pull a downtown out of a fat pack, but we got the 35th and 36th fat pack I've ever opened behind me, and I haven't pulled one yet, so I did pull one out of a blaster one time. Guess the more we open, the closer we get. We got a green velocity in here. Matthew Stafford, Cooper Kupp, Christian McCaffrey, Saquon Barkley, Amari Cooper. Got an Antoine Winfield Jr. green velocity for the Buccaneers. There's another card back there. AJ Epineza, rookie for the Bills. Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner, and Josh Allen for the Jaguars. Mike Gesicki. Cards have a little bit of friction to them. DJ Moore, Deshaun Watson, Ryan Kerrigan, Jared Goff. Got a J.K. Dobbins green velocity for the Ravens. Not too shabby. Xavier McKinney rookie for the Giants. Kenny Golladay, Gronkowski, Julio Jones, Stephon Gilmore, and Baker Mayfield to round it out. Alright, we'll do a quick recap here. And I will hop off for the evening. I had some nice Tuas. A couple other nice green velocities. We got a Gabriel Davis rated rookie. Joe Reed green velocity for the Chargers. Jonathan Taylor rated rookie. Eno Benjamin green velocity for the Cardinals. Andrew Thomas rookie for the Giants. Kyle Duggar for the Patriots. Jalen Johnson for the Bears. Tommy Stevens green velocity for the Saints. Marlon Davidson rookie for the Falcons. Van Jefferson green velocity for the Rams. Devin Asiasi rookie for the Patriots. Elite Series rookies Tua. Clavon Chason rookie for the Jaguars. Dominators Patrick Mahomes. There's a Tua rated rookie. Silver Hollow Eno Benjamin for the Cardinals. Lynn Bowden Jr. rated rookie. Stephon Gilmore Hollow. Xavier McKinney rated regular rookie there. J.K. Dobbins green velocity rated rookie. A.J. Epineza rookie, and Antoine Winfield Jr. green velocity for the Buccaneers. Cello packs, or the fat packs, don't yield a ton of rookies other than just like 10 to 11 base cards. Then you get one, possibly two rookies or inserts. So they're tough sometimes, but if you hit a nice green velocity, it can be worth it. But anyways, you guys take it easy. Have a good night. And I do have a couple breaks tomorrow, so if you're in those, I'll see you then. Otherwise, y'all have a good Friday, good weekend, and we'll catch you later. See ya.